after doing demo, this is how I bag up everything with a shovel, and I just put it inside a sack, and I just keep putting it in there until it's pretty full. You don't have to fill it up all the way. Since this is sheetrock, this is pretty heavy, so I fill it up maybe like halfway with this shovel. And since it's already broken up and everything, that's why I do that. That one's pretty full, so I would probably gonna tie that one off and take it out. But you seen how I did that with just a shovel and a trash bag, and I'll probably need maybe 2 more trash bags, and I'll have this done. And then I'll tear up some more after that's done and keep going.